Good morning, students of class 3. Exercise 4.8, question number 1. The question is, let the cost of 1 dozen bananas be rupees 35. Find the cost of 8 dozen bananas. For that, I have written this statement. The cost of 1 dozen banana equal to rupees 35. So the cost of 8 dozen banana equal to 35 into 8. Rupees 35 into 8 equal to rupees 208. Question number 3. There are 30 soldiers standing in a row. How many soldiers are there in 25 such rows? Number of soldiers in one row equal to 30. So the number of soldiers in 25 rows equal to 30 into 25 equal to 750 soldiers. In question number 5, Radha reads 45 pages from a book daily. How many pages will she read in the month of March? For that, Radha reads in one day equal to 45 pages. So Radha reads in 31 days, because that month of March contains 31 days. Radha reads in 31 days equal to this 45 into 31. So multiplication becomes 1395 pages. Question number 7. A box of sweets weight 825 kg. What is the weight of 12 such boxes of sweets? For that, the first statement is weight of one box of sweets equal to 825, and then weight of 12 boxes of sweets equal to 825 into 12. 825 into 12 equal to 9,009. In question number 9, 175 cars can be parked in a parking lot. How many cars can be parked in 25 such parking lots? So the number of cars parked in one parking lot equal to 175 cars. Then number of cars parked in 25 parking lots equal to 175 into 25. This multiplication is 4,375 cars. Question number 11. A cricketer made on an average 56 runs in each innings. He played 23 innings in all. What was his total score? So runs made in one inning equal to 56. So the runs made in 23 innings equal to 56 into 23. This 56 into this 23. So this multiplication becomes 1,288 runs. Question number 13. There are 350 pages in a book. How many pages are there in 40 such books? So the number of pages in one book equal to 350, and the number of pages in 40 books equal to 350 into 40. 350 into 40 equal to 14,000 pages. So in 40 books, number of pages are 14,000. Question number 15. A factory produces 346 bulbs in a day. How many bulbs does it produce in 2 weeks? Assume that the factory works on Sunday also. So if the factory works on Sunday, then the total number of days in a week became 7, and there are 2 weeks, so 2 into 7 means 14 days. How many bulbs that factory will produce in 14 days? So first statement I have written that bulbs produced in one day equal to 346. So bulbs produced in 14 days equal to 346 into 14. And this multiplication became 4,844 bulbs. 4,844 bulbs will be produced in 14 days.
Estimate the following products to the nearest 10. Question number 1. That is 34 into 11. I wrote hundreds, tens and ones. Then 34 will be estimated as 30 because 4 is less than 5. So at the place of 4 we will keep 0. So estimation of 34 nearest 10 became 30. Similarly here 11 will also be estimated. Here 1's place 1 is less than 5, so this will be 10. 30 into 10 equal to... Question number 1C, 72 into 65. At first rounding off nearest 10 of 72. 2 is less than 5, so at the place of 2 we'll keep 0, that became 70. And in 65 there is 5. So for 5 or more than 5 we add 1 to the previous digit, that is 6. I added 1 to 6, we got 7, and at the place of 5 will keep 0, so that became 70. Now 70 into 70 equal to 4,900. Question number 2. Estimate the following products nearest 10. 76 into 35. At first I have estimated these two numbers nearest 10. So in 76, 6 is smaller than 5, so I added 1 to the previous digit, to the last digit. So that became 8, and at the place of 6 I kept 0. Into, in 35, 5 is there at one's place. So for 5 or more than 5 we add 1 to the previous digit. So here is 3, we added 1, we became 4, and at the place of 5 I kept 0. Now it is 80 into 40. You multiply only these two numbers, 8 and 4. 8 and 4, that is equal to 32. And here is 1 and 1, 2 zeros, I kept 2 zeros. Question number C. 29 into 31. In 29, 9 is more than 5. So for that, I added 1 to the previous digit, that is 2. 2 and 1, 3. And at the place of 9, we will keep 0. And in 31, 1 is at its place, one's place, that is less than 5. So for that I will keep 0, and this digit will be written same. So this became 30 into 30. You multiply only these two numbers, 3 and 3. 3 into 3 equal to 9, and 1 and 1, 2 zeros. So I kept here 2 zeros. Now question number E. 88 into 91. At first rounding off of 88 means estimation nearest to 10. 88. 8 is more than 5. So for that I added 1 to the previous digit. It became 9, and at this place I kept 0. Into, in 91, 1 is at its place, one's place. So for that we will keep here 0, and 9 will be written as same because 1 is less than 5. So this became 90 into 19. You multiply only these two numbers, 9 and 9. 9 9s are 81. I wrote here 81, and this 1 and 1, 2 zeros. So here I kept 2 zeros. So it became 8100. Chapter 5, Division, Exercise 5.1. Divide the following by equal sharing or by using repeated subtraction method. Question number A. 8 divided by 2. How will we divide this by repeated subtraction method? I subtracted 2 from 8 in the first step. 8 minus 2 equal to 6. In the second step, I subtracted 2 from 6. I got 4. In the third step, I subtracted 2 from 4. I got 2. And in the fourth step, I subtracted 2 from 2. I got 0. Till getting 0, we have to repeat this subtraction. As we got 0 in these 4 steps, so 8 divided by 2 equal to 4. In question number C, 16 divided by 4. So we'll subtract 4 from 16. 16 minus 4 equal to 12. In the second step, we'll subtract 4 from 12. 12 minus 4 equal to 8. In the third step, we'll subtract 4 from 8. 8 minus 4 equal to 4. And in the fourth step, we'll subtract 4 minus 4 equal to 0. So till getting 0, we subtracted 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. We subtracted 4 times. So 16 divided by 4 equal to this 4 times 4. In question number E, 12 divided by 6. At first we subtracted 12 minus 6. That we got 6. Again we subtract 6 from 6. 6 minus 6 equal to 0. So in 2 steps only we are getting 0 after repeated subtraction. So 12 divided by 6 equal to 2. Now question number G. 20 is divided by 4 equal to what? So I started subtraction 4 from 20. In the first step 20 minus 4 equal to 16. In the second step 16 minus 4 equal to 12. In the third step 12 minus 4 equal to 8. In the fourth step 8 minus 4 equal to 4. And in the fifth step 4 minus 4 equal to 0. So in 5 steps of subtraction we are getting 0. So 20 divided by 4 became equal to 5.